Hi, today I'm feeling inspired by this beautiful surroundings that I'm so blessed to be in. Nature always inspires me. And what I find from nature is that we get so many lessons on how we should live our lives well. Since I talk about death and dying and grief and loss, I feel that nature gives us so many metaphors on how to do this right, on how to view these phases of life as natural and not have morbid obsessions about death being the end of something. Look at this fall leaf, for instance. It has changed in color, it's crumbling, its time on earth is over, but it goes into the earth and it's absorbed by the soil, and there is rebirth, there's regeneration. Nature is all about death, decay, death, and rebirth. That's what the changing seasons bring home to us so beautifully. Every time I watch a sunset, it comes home to me again. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. We may not see it after it sets, but that doesn't mean the sun has gone anywhere. It's waiting to rise in another form, in another place. It's the same with life and death. So if you are grieving the loss of a loved one or the end of a relationship, know that there is hope. Know that nothing is lost. Love never dies. Love never ends. It just changes form. And sometimes it changes form because we need to learn certain lessons and move on. We need to absorb and invite into our lives experiences that will move us further along our journey. So as I watch this beautiful surrounding and the sun setting behind the mountains, I'm tempted to offer you this beautiful nugget of wisdom. Nothing ever is lost. Nothing ever dies. It's all about rebirth and regrowth. Thank you for watching.